So
So
did they help you at all at rehab? Like get prepared to come home? Like did they talk to you
they
about?
do. They do at rehab. There's
Okay.
I spoke with them and they knew the difficulties they had with her there. They recommended that there were probably some changes that needed to be made in the house. Because they were asking, is the house would we be able to use a wheelchair? Would she be able to maneuver with a walker? And that was when and then I had brought up the issue of bathing in the tub and that what she had there was a regular tub with a shower curtain and not even a shower chair that was sturdy enough really for her, and she didn't like to be in there, and we just started to think it was a little dangerous.
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Great.
fine.
Linda,
All
thanks so
right,
much,
thanks.
hon.
Have a
You
good
too.
day. All
Appreciate it.
righty, take
Yep.
care.
Bye.
Bye bye.
What was your biggest challenge before you had the transition? With showering before you did any modifications. What was
Okay.
your biggest problems?
I had several, but the number one biggest problem was literally getting into the shower. Because of the multiple sclerosis, I could not lift my leg. So my husband would have to come, lift one leg in, lift the other leg in. I did have a bar at the time that I could hold on to, but it was very difficult to just even shampoo my hair, to wash myself because I'm holding on for dear life with the bar. There was really no place for me to sit in the beginning. Then we got a shower chair, and that didn't really feel stable.
Right. So tell me about that shower chair. Where did you have it? How did it look?
It looked like a little stool,
A
a
stool.
stool,
And were both legs inside? Were all the legs inside the
with
tub
all
or
the legs with
inside the
all the
tool?
legs inside the tub.
Inside the tub at
Correct,
first.
correct.
Okay.
And
But it
it
was unstable.
it was unstable. I didn't feel safe. And as silly as this sounds, I used to look forward to taking a shower. I'm a
Hmm.
girly girl. I liked, my scented soaps and all of that, and washing my hair and doing the deep conditioning and all of that. And it came to the point where I would get a knot in my stomach knowing I was going to have to take a shower because it was not a pleasant experience anymore. It was very anxiety producing.
Hmm.
I was afraid I was going to fall. I didn't think the chair was supporting me. Um, I was so dependent on my husband just to even get me into the shower, and it it wasn't pleasant. Something had to change.
Right. So then I think you moved from that little stool to something that straddled the tub. There's a little what base of support. I think when we came,
Yeah, and you can
right
you can slide me
across.
across.
And when you found that at like some medical supply store,
Correct.
or did someone
Correct.
recommend it to you?
No, we found it on our own.
Okay.
And again, it was just that feeling of not being secure.
Right. So now this bench that you sat on and slid across, it was bigger, right? So it's
Yes.
stabler, right? The stability increased. But what are the
Well,
downsides
the
to it?
the downside is we have a very small bathroom.
Okay.
So it's like pushing onto the toilet. It wasn't really set up the way we needed it to be set up.
Right. And so the legs they sat outside the shower.
Correct.
So what was happening with, let's say, the water, or what was the
It
net
would
result?
it would get pretty wet.
Yeah. Right.
All over the floor.
And did you have to throw towels down, or how
Yes.
did you manage that?
Yes. Hmm.
Right.
Yeah.
And so when you got off and you got out of there, were you using a walker at the time?
I was at that point, and that made it difficult because you have a wet floor with a walker, all of that,
Right.
just very anxiety producing.
Right. And
Just
your
not
husband was still
stable.
helping you. We covered a lot of ground. That was a lot of really good. I mean, I think